Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Common causes of hoisting equipment accident. Many different factors can cause hoisting operation to go badly. Some common causes of hoisting equipment relate injuries on vessels, trailing platforms, and dockside cargo hoops may include improperly maintained and inspected hoisting equipment, human error that causes the hoisting equipment to malfunction or load to fault, hoisting equipment that isn't properly pulled tight or secured, poor sea conditions that are too demanding for safe hoisting of loads, high winds that cause loads to fall or workers to fall into the path of the hoist, workers who aren't properly trained in the safe use of hoisting equipment, workers who aren't provided with proper safety gears, workers who aren't provided with the right equipment for the load lift. Next, about common hoisting equipment injuries. When a hoist lifting operation is performed incorrectly or there are conditions that make operation unsafe, workers may suffer a variety of injuries. Some common injuries caused by hoisting equipment can include crescent or amputated claim, mild, moderate, or severe traumatic brain injuries, back or spinal cord injuries, partial or complete paralysis, torn ligaments. Next, about Houston wind turbine accident and injuries. If you have been injured, you may benefit from receiving legal guidance from our Houston Maritime lawyers for all of the benefits that wind products energy bring. There is a dark side to the wind industry, of which many consumers are unaware. There are thousands of documented cases of serious injuries that include reports of turbines falling over, blades flying off, and serious injuries not only to workers but also to members of the general public. Wind turbines generate their electricity from the wind via the use of complex mechanical and electrical equipment. Due to their widespread manufacture and installation of across the nation, but especially on the wide plains of Texas and in the Gulf Coast, they present a significant risk to workers. Next, about hazards presented by wind turbines. While this is a growing industry, the hazards are often unique and can present as significant a risk to industry workers as those presented by the oil and gas industry or industrial manufacturing. The hazards associated with the construction and operation of wind turbines on the mainland or in maritime setting includes diving injuries. Diving operations are a unique hazard of offshore wind parks and include problems with foundation installations, the laying of cables and other infrastructure, regular turbines, inspection and maintenance, and eventually decommissionings. Collision injury. For both mainlands of offshore wind parks, this potential hazard is related to the need for helicopter access to offshore facilities, the potential for falls by personnel and personnel transfer between vessel and wind turbines. Offshore operations present the risk of collisions between vessel and turbines or crashes between two or more vessels operating in the same area. Evacuation injuries. Evacuation from offshore wind turbines during an emergency situation such as a fire, explosions, or extreme storm conditions are more difficult in the Gulf. The travel distance to and from shore during emergencies also creates a potential hazard during which workers may be injured. Extreme weathers. Offshore wind parks may sometimes be subject to extreme weather conditions. This factor may result in time-related pressure for wind turbine personnel to perform their work as they are forced to comply with tight time constraints that can easily be changed by weather or shipping delays. Structural failures. Because offshore wind turbines are intrinsically exposed to marine environments, the harsh nature of these environments will degrade equipment over time. Wave action current and corrosion are all factors that can negatively affect foundation and equipment over time. Back inland storm, earthquakes, and rust can all take their toll on wind turbine equipment, leading to failure over time if owner or operator are negligent in their inspection or procedures. Although the basics of lifting operation involving wind turbine are the same offshore and onshore, Gulf operation can be more difficult. Offshore turbines tend to be larger, so the load involved in their construction are the larger and the more cumbersome. Extreme weather conditions can lead to dangers with load that can shear off blades during construction. Other dangers during lifting operation include movement on the crane of the vessel assisting with construction. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget give, like, comment, and subscribe.